Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. Have a look at my amazing dress. Let me tell you about it. I was invited to take part in a very interesting TV show. I was thrilled and terrified at the same time. I had nothing to wear. It took me some time to decide what to do, and so I made this jacket dress. I think that it's absolutely amazing. It was made just like a classic jacket. It's lined. Have a close look at it. I feel very comfortable in this dress. I think the jacket dresses are perfect for those occasions when you have to look great and feel confident and comfortable at the same time. Maybe I'll show you how to make a jacket dress later. I was invited to the TV show to tell people about fabrics. That made me realize that I don't tell you enough about fabrics. What do you want me to tell you about? Do you like the reviews I show you? Talk to me, please. When making this dress, I realized that I don't like single-color jacket dresses. Checked fabrics are perfect for such dresses. And I think that green color suits my hair. This dress was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. You ask about it a lot. The course will be out very soon. We just want to make sure that it's perfect before showing it to you. This is a double-breasted jacket dress. There are flaps on the pockets. Have a close look at the side seams. Have a look at my tucks. Watch the video on how to make tucks if you haven't done it yet. The collar is pretty simple. I've already showed you how to make it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.